Welcome to the next video in the C tutorials. In this video, we are going to see the program on prime or composite number. So I want to clear the logic for prime numbers. Like, so if the number is not divisible from any one of like 2 to below its number, then it is known as the prime number. To write the program, I am taking, so for number, to store number I am taking num variable, and for to make iterations I'm taking I variable. So I'm advising the user, now I'm scanning that number into this num variable. So for that purpose I'm using scanf statement. Now at very first, the number 2 is itself a prime number. So first of all, let us write the logic for 2. If the num equals to 2, then it is itself a prime number. So printf 2 is a prime number. If the number is other than 2, it will comes to else part. Here in this, I am giving for loop. I am assigning the value of I equals to 2. So we need to check the condition from 2 only. Then later, I am checking the condition up to below the number, the num variable. So if the number like 11, we need to check below the 11, means up to 10 we need to check the condition. So if we have 19, we need to check up to the 18. So if any number is divisible with below up to the below of its number, then it is not a prime number, otherwise it is a composite number. Again, I am incrementing the value of I. Here in this I am giving if condition. Suppose the number is divisible by I. When it gives remainder 0, then it is a composite number. So printf %d is composite number. Here you need to give the value of num. So after this we need to stop this iterations. So here I am using break statement. So now up to this it is a condition to check whether the number is prime or not. So after the else, here I am giving if the value of I is increased up to the num variable, then it is a prime number. So if I equals to num, then here you need to write printf. So now if I run the program, you can see here. So now if I run this, you can see here, enter the num to check the num is prime or not. So here at the very first I want to check the number like 5. So if I give enter, you can see 5 is a prime number. So what is happened at background means, so first it is going to check if condition. So here if is a false, then it is comes to the else part. In else, the value of I is assigned to 2. Then at very first it is checking with the 5 when modulus division with 2 is not leaving a remainder 0. So the if condition is also false. Again, the value of I is going to increment it to 3. So 3, when 3, the 5 is modular division with 3, also false. Again, it is going to 4. Again, it is incremented to 4. Again, it is checking. Again, it is false. Again, it is incremented to 5. But the condition at the for loop is false, so the iteration is going to completed. Now the number, now the value of I is become 5, so it is coming and checking here. So like 5 equals to the 5, so it is a prime number. I think you have cleared the thing. So if I give another number, like here I am giving 2, you can check it, you can check the number. So 2 is a prime number. So if I giving like number 11, so you can check here 11 is a prime number.